Hi, a happy hoarder here, and welcome to Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, presenting the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown Decor Ideas for 2021. I want to thank our lovely host, Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living, and her wonderful co-host. Please check out the links to their channels and their videos in the playlist in the description below. Hi, Happy Hoarder here, and I'm having to take a chunk out of this video to use for my last night for the 12, what are we again? 12 drummers drumming? Yes, I think that's right. I got the cutest bag of stuff and I kind of opened it in the middle of my other video and I decided, you know what, that kind of needs a video of its own. So I saved it for this video. What's more befitting of a 12-day collaboration as another set of 12 Days of Christmas ornaments. Anyway, keep watching. I'm really loving this. This is a lot like House of Hatton, but I think it's Midwest. Why are we going nuts, Dash? But yes, I have another 12 Days of Christmas. I'm hoping they're all here. So, we'll see. Yeah, let's see what we got. Oh, by the way, the bag was $2.75 for the bag. These are really so sweet, y'all. They're so cute. Should I show you in the right order or just randomly? We'll just, oh my goodness, they're precious. Please be okay. But you know me, I'm pretty crafty, and if something's broken, I can always sculpt it or whatever. Make it look right. 3 French hens. Those are about the cutest. I just say that is so adorable. So, you know, on the thumbnails, I've been putting my stained glass, and that was a thrifted find. Well, I'm not say thrifted, it was bought it at a estate sale. And then these, and then my other ones my sister gifted me, and I have another set that I got when the store was going out of business, and it's like was 75% off or something. But here's my partridge in a pear tree, little wonky, needs a little straightening up. Oh yeah, we gotta kind of work on you a little bit, make you a little hook right. So I wish I knew who made these. They're so sweet, y'all. Look at that. They are so cute. Now these, I have a tree, and I bet it's not going to be the right size. No, I bet it doesn't make up big enough. If they would fit on that tree, because these are, they're Midwest, this one says. So I'm assuming that's a pipe he's got in his mouth, but it's like a horn to me. But yeah, so there's one of, this the guy doing the thing. Yes. But yeah, I recognize Midwest. I just recognize their style. This is Lord Leaping. This is Noel on this little thing. So he's got a couple of scuffs, but oh my gosh, you're so sweet. No, this must be a, no, we're not going to pull you out yet. Oh, that is, I love, okay, so I love, why are you going nuts? She hears me all excited, got the excited voice, so she's like freaking out. Yeah, I know, right? I love folk art. I like primitives and things like that. I still do. I'm sorry. I don't care what's in style. I just like what I like. Anyway, it's the little hand. Isn't that sweet? For 5 gold rings. That is some cuteness right there. Wow. So much. Oh, you're going to be okay up here? Please be okay. Oh, well, the geese. That's pretty cool. Oh, and he's got a thing in his mouth. Let's fix it. Okay, fix it up a little bit. Because you're a little bent. I bet you're not supposed to be bent that way. But maybe we want to leave it because he won't break. Anyway, is the 6 geese legs actually a Canada goose? Yeah, so I love that. That's different. Maybe this is a white one. But the swan is a big old white swan. Doesn't have the typical swan markings. I don't know what they did wrong with there. I have to get out that little bit of paint because it make that look like a real swan. Two turtle doves. Oh, y'all, these are so cute. I'm so glad I got these. I had these before I knew we were going to do the 12 Days of Christmas. That's adorbs right there. Yeah, so, I almost would kind of like to do something that was on that line of the 12 days. Since I have so many anyway, why did I do something else on the 12 days of Christmas? Oh, no! I've lost a bird. So one of my collie birds has left. They've flown away. But I think I see it down in here. It just needs going back on. Please be a bird. Hang on, hang on. Careful. Yes, it's just a little broken off bird. So I can put it, I think that, but, oh man, it broke good too. Oh, it's going to need some love. It's got to be a little bit of sculpting, a little bit. You booty like that? No way. You don't face that way. You know what? This does not go here. I think this goes to another one. Who else would have a bird? I'm so confused. Yeah, I'll figure it out. But, oh, maybe it just did that. Oh, I see. Yeah, he sits right there. I just got to patch him up. Easy peasy. I got this. I got it. I'm not worried. I'm just feeling a little less worried, actually. This one is the drummer drumming, and he needs a little love, but look, oh my goodness, wait, give me that paper. He is so cute. He is like kind of, look at this face. Oh my goodness, he's so adorable. And the moon, I'm loving this guy. Ah, I love him. Yeah, these are all my colors, you know, it's just kind of what I do. And my lady's dancing. She's incredible. And I noticed something green is falling off of somebody who lost some greenery. My lady dances. She is in this. Look at her. She is seriously got the dance move going. She's having a blast. And then the maid's a milking, whose leg is broken but repaired. Just needs a little paint. I think, well, she hangs that way. She's just catching a ride on that cow. Yeah. So I guess you could arrange it where the cow's actually jumping over the moon. Yes, I think leg's been repaired. Needs a little paint. Fix it up. And it'll be okay. It will be okay. And somebody has lost some greenery. Who was it? Cow is looking a little skimpy. Probably the cow. Because I see the pink paint on it. So a little bit of pink paint. So I'm pretty sure this goes on the cow. Somewhere. Yeah, I hear you, Dash. Oh my goodness, so that was fun. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch the rest of the videos in the playlist below. And hit like and subscribe if you haven't. And hit that notification button because sometimes I make pretty good videos. Bye!